Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X90 Pro, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application, which is located in the Google folder right over here. Now, there we go. So once we have access to it, we can then navigate to Fix and Manage, and then you will see an option right here, Import from SIM. Once you click on it, it will show you all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. By default, they will all be selected. Now, if some of those contacts already exist on your device, then those specific contacts will be deselected and grayed out. Now, obviously you can deselect ones that you don't want, and from there, click on Import. This will import all selected contacts, and when you go back to your contacts list, you'll be able to see them right here. Now, for me, I didn't have any other options because I am not signed into a Google account, but by default, if you do an import from SIM, right here at the top right below the import contacts, you will see your Google account if you are signed into one. Now, this is important because it gives you the option to either import contacts to a Google account, which will be selected by default, or to your device, which will happen or which will be chosen as a default if you are not logged into a Google account, like I am not logged in. And when you select either one of these options, either device or Google account, you can then switch between them by tapping on this icon right over here. It might show you the icon of your Google account, or it might show you the device icon. Whatever it is, you can press right here, and it will give you a couple options here. So this one will be the selected right now. Then you will have your SIM cards, either your device or Google accounts, which you can then select, and it will show you contacts from that list. So anyway, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.